here's a little fit check before here's a little fit check before I get before I get dressed into my gym clothes or my walking clothes. Let me share. Okay, sporting this top, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, and I decided to just wear this like nude color. Almost look like my skin, honestly. I've had people mistake it for my skin color. I just wear that underneath. It's honestly kind of cropped, but I have it on my like coat because it's kind of cold. And then just wearing these Levi jeans, and then I got my knockoff Ugg boots that I got from Amazon. I have some vitamins here that I need to take. I have my vitamins that I need to take because I actually woke up late this morning, so I didn't really have time to do much. So I'm gonna take my medicines, and then gonna get dressed and take y'all along with me on my walk on this lovely Sunday afternoon. Yes, it's 1:04 p.m. so on this lovely Sunday afternoon. Okay, so my boyfriend's mom got me this car mount holder. I'm so excited. It's been so long since I've had my phone on there. I've always just had it here because my last one broke. So hopefully this one will last me a while. Hi friends, I feel like I've like barely done any talking in this video, but anyways, this week has been kind of hectic and very busy, so that's why I haven't been recording too much that I've been doing. And also, like, since I'm at work, I don't want to record myself like with my students or at the school, things like that. So I'm not going to be recording that, but like I've been recording like when I'm getting ready, when I'm eating breakfast, like when I'm walking around, things like that. So now I'm getting ready, running a little late. I'm gonna fix up my hair and then put on my clothes and then head out. I need to wash my hair. It's looking very, very rough, as y'all can tell. Hopefully I have time to do that tonight. I have a busy day today, and tomorrow I'm actually going home to Arlington to my parents' house, My sister's gonna be there too, but she's getting there on Friday. And I have some plans to hang out with some friends, and I'm actually going to Melanie Martinez's album listening party tomorrow. It's in Dallas at this record store. So I'm really excited. I asked my friend to come with me. Let's see, what else? I had class last night, which like I definitely could have recorded that and like me walking, but I just simply forgot. Like I literally just forgot, and I think I might have got like one clip in while I was walking or something, but that was when I remembered after class. But class was good. It was kind of different. We played this game for like a long time, and there wasn't a lot of like lecturing and note taking and stuff. So I guess it was a good first day back from spring break, like a first class back from spring break, because all my classes are online for my master's. And what's it called? Excuse me, this is the only class that is in person, and we only meet once a week. So I have therapy this afternoon, whatever. I'm looking forward to it. I've been trying to schedule my sessions every 2 weeks. It's been a bit difficult, but I believe starting May it'll be every 2 weeks. So that way I can just have a schedule, and that'll be easy for me to remember and keep up with. Put on deodorant, of course. Man, I'm so ready for tomorrow. I'm happy I'm taking the train so that I'll have time to like do some homework and things, because if I was driving myself, I can't do that because I'm driving myself. But since I'm not, I have enough time to get work done. Alrighty. Dude, I'm trying to use up this perfume, and I swear it does not want to be used up. Like, it's been at this level for forever. Okay, all good to go. Let's go to work. Okay, I just got home from work. Sorry, I was eating a granola bar. But oh my gosh, I have to pee so bad. Let me go inside before I continue talking to y'all. Hi, y'all are falling. Oh no. Let's see if it'll stay. It's not gonna stay. Hold on. Okay, now I have y'all leaning up against my Polaroid. Even though my tripod is literally not that far away from me. But here in my closet. Welcome to my closet. I need to pick an outfit. I think I'm just gonna wear a workout outfit. It feels pretty warm outside. Spring started. Welcome spring. Kind of feeling like summer, even though it's really rainy. But I have therapy in like 15-ish minutes, and then I have French club like right after that, so I'm gonna be late. But I normally walk to campus because I don't have a parking permit and I didn't want to pay for one, so I'm gonna be extra late because I'm walking to campus. But it's okay. Therapy, definitely need it, and that was just the time that worked out for me this week. So I'm gonna go to the gym after French club, so it's like I might as well wear my gym clothes, but I also want to look nice. But I think all my nice gym clothes are getting washed right now because I'm going home tomorrow for the weekend, and so I'm washing my clothes. So let's see what I can put together. Hi friends. I'm just finished therapy. I'm in a great mood. My last session was kind of a sad one. So last session I was like angry and crying. But this session I mean, all sessions are good ones. It's just good ones. It's just last session was more emotional than this one. Just made me cry more. But I'm getting ready now for French club. I'm gonna be late, like I said, but we finished therapy a little bit early, so I'm like 10 minutes early. So I'm not gonna be crazy late. I am gonna put some sunscreen on. The sun isn't even out, but I don't think I put any on today. I am going to walk to campus and have a really clarifying, refreshing walk that I'm looking forward to. Have a little break and time for me. So I'm actually gonna wash my hair. I normally do it on Sunday or Monday, and it's already Wednesday, so I'm some days late. So I normally section it off into 4 pieces. I have my spray bottle here with water and conditioner, and I spray it all in those sections, and then each section I go through and I detangle with this bad boy, and then I go in, I wash my hair, shampoo, conditioner again, comb out everything. So I have shower cap I put on to let the conditioner like set while I wash my body, and then wash and condition out of my hair. I let my hair t-shirt dry, and then I think I'm actually gonna twist it tonight, so that way tomorrow I can just untwist it, or maybe I'll just keep my twist in tomorrow because I am going home tomorrow. Yay! So delicious. I put them in the air fryer. 10 out of 10. I've been up since like 5. Did my morning routine, which I'm so proud of myself. I've been having a lot of difficulty with that, but I did my morning routine, and I just finished eating breakfast. Gonna continue to pack. I'm like done, but I'll show y'all, but there's like loose articles on the floor that I gotta put inside bags. The train station is walking distance, like a 10 or 9 minute walk, to be exact, so not very far from me. So yeah, I'm excited to go home and have a little break. I do have some homework that I will have to do while I'm at home, on the train, on the bus ride back, things like that. So this is what we're dealing with. Toiletry bag, loose articles. I'm gonna bring that purse. Don't know how much I'll wear it. I brought some chips, so honestly I think they're stale, so I need to check and throw them away. Got lunch. Those loose papers are homework stuff, so I'm gonna put that in my backpack. I have a book in there, my laptop because I'm working from home tomorrow, and then my iPad's over there. I need to put in here. Got a raincoat, rain jacket because it's supposed to rain this weekend, and then I got my carry-on. I did want to bring my big suitcase there, which y'all have seen before, but I was like, I think that's better. This helped me make sure that I didn't overpack either. Hi friends! We're in my like teenager bedroom. I can't even call it childhood bedroom because I've only been in this room since I was like 16 or so. So we're here. If you are a real OG person, I redecorated my room whenever COVID happened, and I'm moving back home this summer in August, and I'm gonna redecorate it again. And so far, this is what I got. I have my curtains from my previous apartment. I couldn't find them when I was moving into my current apartment, so I went and bought more, and I finally found them, and so I was like, it's okay, I'll just use them here and I'll figure out what to do with the ones at my current apartment later. But I'm definitely gonna be doing a whole room makeover. I think that's gonna take some time though, because I have an idea of what I want, but kind of done at the same time. And I think I want to repaint just because I didn't do a good job to begin with, because I was kind of rushing, and it was my first time ever painting walls. So, and I don't think I used like primer or like a base or anything, so there's like some splotches. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it. Hold on. Do y'all notice that? Like here is all white, and then there's like these splotches, because my wall originally it was like a beigeish color. I don't have it anywhere in here, but it was a beige color. So I'm so crazy. I've always known that like Eastern Standard Time, whatever it is 2 hours ahead of Central Standard in Texas. But with the time change, it's only 1 hour ahead, and I didn't remember that. So literally today I had 2 meetings that were in the Eastern time zone, and I thought they were 2 hours or an hour earlier than it actually was. So I now have a meeting at 4 o'clock, and then I may be going to a Melanie Martinez listening party for her new album that's coming out. I'm vlogging this week.
Okay.
We're at H-E-B. We're at Home Depot. We got some paint samples and spray paint, because we're gonna be repainting our walls in the house, in the living room, and then we're gonna be spray painting. I have a little spray paint project. Hey friends, got Faith here. We're going to the listening party for Melanie Martinez. We're in the Bishop Arts District of Dallas. Super duper excited. I'll do a fit check whenever I remember. All right, so fit check.
top is from Shein, of course, because I have so much stuff in my closet from Shein. Pants are from Shein. Shoes, got the Air Forces, got the product, and then my mommy let me borrow her jacket. Hey guys, I believe I got my shirt from Cider. Pants I got from my mom. These shoes are from Buckle. And the price is market course. Yeah. So it's really windy, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we're done. It's 9 o'clock on the dot, and it was really cool. We had to stay outside though because they reached capacity inside, but thankfully we were still able to hear the music from outside. And it's just about like an hour, but we've been there for like 2 hours ish or so. But so far I like the album. I'm definitely just gonna have to wait until it's actually released so that I can re-listen to it a few times, because it was kind of hard to like get into it while the wind was blowing. I was distracted, so on and so forth. But all in all, it was a lot of fun. I'm exhausted. I just finished up doing work on my iPad. Turned in like one assignment, updated my calendar for tomorrow. Looked up my assignments I need to work on this week, because even though I'm at home, it's supposed to be a break, I still have homework to do, which that's okay. Gotta keep up with it somehow, and I'm just happy that this weekend isn't going to be too packed or busy, so that way I do have time to actually get my work done still. But I'm tired. I want to clean my room, but I think that's going to be tomorrow's task because I need to go to bed. Like, honestly, the train ride like made me tired, and like my butt was hurting from sitting down for so long. And then I went to the listening party today with Faith, so that was tiring, but I've just been exhausted. And honestly, when I think about it, I haven't done that much. Like, it's not like I worked today, but I did like homework. But anyways, let me stop disregarding that I'm tired and trying to find a reason why, and just understand that I'm tired and my body needs rest, just like all of our bodies need rest. And it's important to listen to our bodies. So I'm gonna listen to my body, and I'm gonna go to sleep, and I will talk to y'all beautiful people tomorrow. Yo, this is honestly so embarrassing. I don't have a desk in my room, and my dad has a desk in their room, and then my mom's desk is out here, but like it's filled with stuff, and I always just like doing work in my room. Like, I've always had comfort in that. And I think when I move home, I'm gonna have to get a desk though, because this is sad. Like, I need to show you all this setup that I have going on. I literally kid y'all not, this is my desk. Why? And my bed's not even made. So embarrassing. Jerry's here. We're about to go get some boba. Yeah. Bye. These mosquitoes. I'm gonna run to the top.
There's a bunch of like these weird bugs in front of my house.
We made it. We're getting boba. I'm very excited. I'm just gonna treat this as my first time drinking boba because honestly, I can't really remember when my first time was. Alright, I got a matcha milk tea with strawberry boba. I'm excited. Ooh, that was a nice one.
It's bedtime. Let's go to sleep. See you on tomorrow.
Hi friends, my hair is kind of crazy and it's a little loud, but it's Sunday, the end of my weekly vlog. I'm walking into my childhood church for like the first time in a few years, so I'm super duper excited. But I just wanted to end this off here and thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.